Hello everyone. Now in corona times, mask is part of our face. And yes, wearing mask for a long time can be harsh on your skin. So, if you are facing any skin issues due to mask or related to mask, then this video is for you. Now, patients are coming with mask related skin issues like increase in acne breakouts, rashes, itching, dryness, rosacea like erythema or redness of the skin. So you are facing any of these problems, so you should note the following 9 points to prevent this and to keep your skin healthy and glowing. First and most important thing is cleaning of the face. Yes, kindly use mild cleansers like Cetaphil lotion, which are very having very less chemicals and fragrance free. Second is moisturization. Moisturization before and after using the mask is very important. Look for the following content in your moisturizer like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, dimethicone. This should be present in your moisturizer. And depending upon the skin type, if you are having dry skin, go for cream based moisturizing lotion, and if you are having oily skin, then go for gel based moisturizer. Similarly, if you are having normal to combination skin, then go for lotion based moisturizer. Third and very important point is skip makeup. Yes, no makeup while mask is on. But if you want, you just can't avoid makeup. If you're having the profession in which you need to wear your makeup, then look for the products like oil free or non comedogenic type of the products which can give you the lasting effect with no side effects. Also, avoid some products which can be irritant to your skin like retinoic acid, which are mostly present in anti-aging cream. Similarly, salicylic acid or lactic acid, which are present in anti-acne creams. So try to avoid these molecules in your products, which can increase your dryness and increase your skin problems. Secondly, wear a right type of mask. Yes, mask should be comfortable fit, and the material of the mask should be soft and breathable and natural fabric like your cotton or linen. Avoid synthetic products like your nylon, rayon or polyester type of fabric. One of the common problem with mask is behind the ear soreness. Yes, wearing a tight mask with ear loop for a long time can increase or make your ear soreness. To avoid this, use different type of ties and ear loops and wear it in a different day to avoid the continuous irritation of behind the ear soreness. Next is take 15-minute mask break every 4 hours. If you need to wear mask for a continuous hours, then try to give a mask break to your skin in an area where you are 6 feet away from the people and the less crowded, or when you are alone in the car, give your skin a break from the mask. Last point is cleaning of the mask. If you're using reusable mask, then try to clean it and air dry it before using it second time. Do not overuse the same mask every day.